The DNA double helix, two strands, they are anti-parallel. They run in opposite directions. The strands are complementary, meaning that adenine on one strand bonds to thymine on the other strand, and guanine bonds to cytosine, and vice versa. Nucleotides, once again, there are three components: 5 carbon sugar, 3 phosphate groups, and a nitrogenous base. The bonds between a nitrogenous base on one chain and the other chain are hydrogen bonds. So if we take a base sequence, the blue here, or top chain, begins with thymine, guanine, adenine, guanine, and so forth. So notice on the complementary DNA chain, notice thymine bonds to adenine, guanine to cytosine, adenine to thymine, guanine to cytosine, and so forth. Each specific organism has its own DNA sequence. If we actually take a single cell, human cell, for example, let's take a cheek cell. A single cheek cell, if we get into the nucleus and unravel the DNA, it will stretch out to 2 meters. Within this 2 meters, you roughly have 22,000 to 24,000 genes. Genes code for specific features, and then some parts of the DNA actually do not code for anything. The DNA itself is wrapped around proteins called histones. These eventually, DNA and histones eventually make up the structures of chromosomes. For chromosomes, human chromosomes, we will talk about a cheek cell for human beings has a total of 46 chromosomes, or 23 pairs of chromosomes. Other organisms have different chromosome numbers. What is the structure of a chromosome? Pretty much has a central centromere region where one chromatid and a sister chromatid are attached. Notice chromosome number for humans 46, or 23 pairs. A fruit fly 8, oak trees 12, horsetail plant 216. So each specific organism has its own chromosome number. Now, usually organisms have its full set of chromosomes or its diploid number. Gametes or sex cells have the haploid number of chromosomes. So, for example, gametes such as sperm and egg in humans will be 23 chromosomes. The diploid number in humans, of course, 46 chromosomes. Your karyotype, for example, this is humans, shows each pair of chromosome. Notice the 23rd pair determines gender. In this case, XY, male. For females, it will be XX. All the other 22 pairs of chromosomes are autosomes.